来看科学家伫非洲的肯亚发现，讲树会互相和名，佮会加声来调对方的名。这款沟通的方式是真罕见哦，只有少数野生动物会安尼做。
听到家己的名，非洲象用声耳来回应。科学家伫7日发表的上新研究指出，非洲象为彼此之间和名，而且用低深的声音来发，安尼声音传到草埔任何所在，拢能被听到。科学家也讲，野生动物用独特的名来互相称呼的情形是真罕见，只有少数的野生动物做会到。
She gives seemingly a very similar call, and nobody will respond. Nobody will react to that call except for a single elephant in the group, and that elephant will respond or come up to her or whatever. And so that indicates that they have a means by which to communicate who they want to talk to.
像发出音频比人类听觉范围会较低，所以人类是听无。专家讲，这声音是透过特殊的麦克才能收到。像发出电线声音的时阵，经过精密的数据分析，声波电脑机器才能知影其中的内容有名字。亲像母象化细只象，或者是母象叫新加入的象，赶紧归队。
Elephants are highly social, highly vocal species. We know there's a lot going on with their communication, but we haven't been able to decipher much. It's quite complicated, the structure of their calls.
专家讲，人甲象的冲突，毋那是倒拉象牙尔。在气候变迁甲全球暖化出现之下，人类的农业发展侵占象的生态地，互相抢夺的结果之下，致使象群数量减少，人类也安尼伤亡。所以透过研究增加对象的了解，对保护象真有帮助。公视新闻新竹报报道。